do it again. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I just want to tell you guys something. If you guys have a grandma and grandpa, I just want to tell you, you all know they're beloved and we all know we love them. And if you gotta go somewhere, they're always there to take you, like go to gymnastics, what my grandma did for me. You guys, when your mom and dad go on a date and your grandma and grandpa gotta come babysit you for a long time and they sleep over, that's when the unlucky stuff happens. So you go to bed and it's like in the middle of the night too. And all that you'll hear from, like my grandpa sleeps in Bassy's room and my grandma sleeps next to me in my room. And I woke up like 10 times in like the middle of the night or 4, can't remember. And all that I heard was my grandmother go. Literally guys, I fall back to sleep and guess what I hear? My grandpa this time that goes 10 times hard. and I can't. I'm like so tired in the day, you guys. And I just want to tell you that. So bye guys. Bye, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that notifications. Bye.